Today I'm going to show you a very simple carrot cake recipe, and this is just perfect to have as your afternoon snack, or you can have it as a dessert with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So we'll start with the dry ingredients first. Take about 300 grams of self-raising flour, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of ground ginger. So just sift all these ingredients once and give it a nice good mix. Now cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg adds a very good flavor to this carrot cake, so just don't skip those. And now you can add any nuts of your choice. I'm going to use about half a cup of walnuts. So just break the nuts into small pieces before you add them. And I'm also going to add about a quarter cup of raisins and about 1.5 cups of grated carrots. So just give all this a nice good mix. And now for the wet ingredients, in another bowl take about 3 eggs. Now if you don't want to add eggs, you can just add about half a cup of plain yogurt or about half a cup of buttermilk. And to this add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and about half a cup of oil. You can use any oil which doesn't have a strong flavor. Just whisk all these and add about 1 cup of brown sugar. Now you can also add granulated sugar, but brown sugar gives a nice good flavor to this. So just mix it well, and now just add the wet and dry ingredients together and give it a nice good mix. Now it looks like as if there's too much of carrots now, but once you bake it, it'll be like perfect. Now place some baking sheet and grease the sides of the pan well with some oil or some butter. Now make sure you're preheating the oven before you place this inside. Now it's time to add a cake mix. So now we are going to bake this for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Just check it with a skewer once, and if it comes out clean, it means that our cake is done. Now just let the cake cool completely before you have it. Now this is just smelling delicious. So now my carrot cake is ready to be served.